Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit T-Rex Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the select button. Keep holding the button until you see the Amazfit logo on the screen. And once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And after the watch boots up, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down, find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. Now tap on the check mark and you should see the QR code, which means we need to download and install the Zepp application on the phone we want to pair our watch with. So let's go to our phone, make sure we have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once we do, we can open the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Zepp with 2 P's. And on the list of applications you should see this app, Zepp, formerly Amazfit. Tap on it, then tap on the install button. And once the application is done installing, we can tap on the open button and to open the app. Once you open it, you will need to log in into a Zepp or Amazfit account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on sign up right here, make a new account and then log in into it. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on login. And here we can enter email and password rather, or you can also use the third-party account like Facebook, Google, or Xiaomi. So I'm gonna enter the email and password. Give me a couple of seconds. Okay, and then we can tap on login. And after you log in, you will see this page. And here we need to skip the tutorial, or rather go through the tutorial by tapping on the arrow, and we have 6 steps. So let's skip tapping to skip this. And once you're done with the tutorial, you will see the home page. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. And here you have different types of devices you can select from. We want to pair a watch, so select a watch, tap on got it, and allow the required permissions, like this. And once you're done with the permissions, you should see this on the screen. Basically, this is the camera app, and what we need to do is to point the phone's camera on the watch to scan the QR code. And once you scan the QR code, it's gonna start pairing. If you see this pop-up, tap on allow, then pair, tap on the check mark on the watch to confirm. If you see this page, or rather this button, tap on done, and here we can allow some permissions. We can also deny them actually, and we have the notification access. This is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and skip this step and keep it disabled. But if you want to enable the notifications, tap on enable and then tap on allow. Next we have the calendar sync. This is useful if you want to see the pop-ups about the calendar events on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip, of course. If you want to enable it, tap on enable and allow the required permission. Then we have the location permission. This is useful for the local weather and maybe something like tracking your route on the map if you're running or cycling, stuff like that. If you don't care, tap on skip. If you want to enable it, tap on enable and allow the permission. Once you see this button, tap on done. And now you should see the device page for your Amazfit T-Rex Ultra. And here, or rather, if we wake up the screen on our watch, it should be also ready to use. And that means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.